I might get in trouble by sharing this, but I'll spell it out. If you are working as a blue collar, electrician, plumber, HVAC technician, or carpenter, you have to watch this. You are not embarrassed of using these types of pencils at work? Today, Nick Pro came with a solution. These pencils are out of this world. You receive your refills, which one are 24 HB. You have the red refills, 12, then you have yellow 12 refills. You have an eraser. Every pencil is having a sharpener and 3 markers, red, black, and orange. The sharpener is just here. If you want to look like a professional, get your Nick Pro today. I will leave the link on the left hand side.